sealant or epoxy sealant. This is a very typical crack you'll see. It propagates from the joints longitudinally, generally around the mid-lane area. A couple areas where it's a little bit worse. For example, right here at Station 1, you can see this crack. It starts before the joint near Station 1 and travels all the way throughout the slab to the next joint. Some of the joints here are exhibiting some pumping out under the shoulder of fine materials. Another crack. Past Station 2. There are just a couple cracks throughout the section that look like they've been here since the last time we surveyed. Most of them are sealed and have been here quite a while. Another example of a crack on both sides of the joint. Again, here's an area where the cracking is pretty bad throughout the entire slab. Again, this next slab's the same way. It's got a crack traveling all the way throughout it. Here's an example of where you've got some pumping from the edge of the joint onto fine material, onto the shoulder. Very tail end of this section, you can see this slab is terribly cracked. They've used some silicone type sealant, even cored. I'm not sure what they're doing with that core location. Inspecting for voids or something, but you can see this crack is really in bad shape. There's loose pieces. It's several inches wide, and it goes throughout the entire length of the slab. The next one continues on up through Station 500 into the next slab, and again some more pumping right there off that joint near the... Actually, there's not a joint there, but there is some pumping evident. Probably from that cracked area. Looking back down towards zero. This ends the video survey of GPS section 133018 on Interstate 20. 40 miles from Augusta, Georgia. This is a video survey of GPS section 133020 on State Route 300, Crisp County, Georgia. This is a jointed concrete plane test section, 4-foot asphalt shoulders. Joints are slightly skewed. This test section is in excellent condition, not really much to report. Faulting is zero, with the exception of one reading in a wheel path of 1 millimeter. This section has no faulting. They have just recently come and sealed the shoulder laying interface.